What's up, my name's TechNobo here for Troubleshoot, and in today's video, I've got a useful little tip for you. So I'm over here on my laptop because I'll be showing you how to view Wi-Fi passwords of networks that you've previously connected to. The first half of this video will probably be the easiest method, but of course requires a third-party download. The second half of this video doesn't require any downloads, as we'll be using built-in tools for Windows. Though of course, if you are able to download software, that's exactly what we'll be doing first, as it's the easiest. So this piece of software is made by Nersoft, an incredibly trustable company. They make tons of software and useful utilities for Windows. Simply heading across to this page, WirelessKeyView, scrolling down to the bottom of this page, we have a bunch of different languages that we can download, but right above it, we'll have these download links over here. This is what we're looking for. Simply just click Download WirelessKeyView for x64. Once it's done downloading, simply click on it to open it up, and then extract wirelesskeyview.exe to your desktop or a similar folder. When prompted about a password, you simply need to look on this page over here for the current password. I'll copy it, paste it in, and click OK. So why exactly does this download over here have a password? Well, simply because grabbing saved wireless passwords is something that can be considered through antiviruses, etc. And if you were to download the program straight off of the internet, you may have a couple of issues actually downloading it, as your antivirus may be deleting it before the download finishes. It'll just keep deleting over and over. Anyway, with that aside, we can close out of the zip and open up the program. Simply click yes when prompted for admin, and then this screen will open up. We'll see a list of all wireless networks that we previously connected to, whether they're in range or not, the security key type, and then the key, ASCII over here, is what you're looking for. This is the simple plain text password that you use to connect to the internet. If we were to scroll across to the side, we'd find some more info on the actual networks themselves, but of course the only thing we really need is this key over here. Once you find the network you're looking for, you can also right-click on the actual entry and copy key, ASCII, which will copy the plain text password that you can then use on another device. So that is of course the absolute easiest way to get around Windows and find your Wi-Fi passwords for networks that you've connected to in the past. But assuming you don't trust downloads from foreign links, there are a couple of ways of doing this from within Windows, though they're not exactly the easiest. The first of two methods is to see the password of the wireless network you're currently connected to. Simply press start and then type in network connections as such. Then we'll be heading across to view network connections. Find your wireless adapter, which for me is Wi-Fi, right click and then click status. Of course, you'll need to be connected to a wireless network first. Now that I've done that, right-click Status, and we can see this pop up over here. Click the Wireless Properties button, Security, and then click Show Characters to see the plain text Wi-Fi password. This is the password that you're looking for the network that you're currently connected to. There isn't a way of checking through this menu to see previous Wi-Fi network passwords. If we'd like to see other wireless networks' passwords that we've connected to in the past, we'll have to do this through the command prompt. Hold down Start and press R, then type in CMD. Hit enter and this window will open up. In here we'll be typing in two commands. The first one lists out previous networks that we've connected to. Net, SH, WLAN, show profiles. Upon hitting enter, we'll see a list of all wireless networks that we've previously connected to. When you find the network name that you're looking for me it's LTE, all we have to do is type in net, SH, WLAN, show, profile, space, name equals, and then two inverted commas. Inside of here, we'll be typing in the network's name. So for me, LTE. Then at the very end, we'll add a space, key equals clear. Then hit enter, then it'll go ahead and show us some info of that wireless network. If we look under security settings, if you see key content, then this is the plain text password that we connected to the Wi-Fi network with in the past. Of course, if you don't see a key content, or this is simply blank, then the wireless network that you connected to didn't have a password. But anyways, that's about it for this video. Thank you all for watching. My name's been TechNobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.